what to do, what not to do. And actually, I came to know that professors in NIT, in elite institutions as yourselves, are actually in support of conducting these exams. They actually think that it would be a bigger loss अगर exams नहीं हो पाते और अगला session नहीं हो पाता है. There would be a huge loss to the whole spectrum. So have you thought about it? Have you discussed it, any of your colleagues?
So this is a matter which is being discussed by something that is known as academic senate a lot. So unfortunately, I am not a part of it. Okay. So these mostly constitute of the full professors. Okay. So they are coming up with a guideline regarding how best we can address things. So
what is your opinion about this? I mean, do you think are you more towards the student security? Are you more driven to that area, या फिर आपको लग रहा है कि student security can be taken into consideration और उसके बाद भी we can make certain space कि हम करा पाएं? Do you think we have
the thing is that, and this is not just about these examinations, right? I have a general view about the overall pandemic and how to handle it. Right. So just by stopping things at all the places, things won't improve. जैसे कि हम लोग देख ही रहे हैं, there was a lockdown for a very long period and which was implemented in a successful manner, but there are people who need to earn, who cannot afford to lose things, right? Similar situation is there for people who are joining these elite institutes, because there are a large number of students who are joining from poor families who do not really have that kind of economic support, and they have come to this particular point of time with all their efforts, all their resources that they can. So abhi kya hoga if you don't provide them this opportunity this year? What would happen is ki next year there will be a greater competition, because you cannot just double the number of seats.
Stack बढ़ जाएगा students का who will be passing out, right?
So at the end, in long terms, there will be a disadvantage for these students. Of course, this does not really mean कि हम लोग को reckless होके कुछ भी करना है. For example, even the current guidelines that have come for conducting these JEE NEET examinations, they are that social distancing have to be mandated, and all the complete PPE kit, at least the face mask part of it, those things will be provided to invigilators, so as to minimize any kind of situation. Right. Also, if anybody shows any kind of symptoms, they will be given a separate room at each of these centers. So we are trying our best to provide all the facilities from our part.
Symptoms के साथ अगर students आएंगे, is that really worth entertaining?
So generally we would so again the idea is in terms of, for example, let us say you have a person who is coughing, right? And just now, if you have coughed in public, you would notice that it's a stigma, right? You would be scared to do it, right? So supposedly, even if that person may not have COVID, but just as a precaution, you would want to place them in a separate place.
Yeah, definitely.
So that people are giving the exams in a stress-free manner. Mm-hmm. Remember, it's not really just the fact that we give them an opportunity to enter the institute, but also give them a stress-free environment.
But इसके like infrastructure, they might be, if like 450 or 500 students आ रहे हैं किसी institution में exam देने, and they like at least 20 of them are showing symptoms, so they'll have to be available at least 10 separate rooms तो उनके लिए चाहिए होंगे, that won't really cut it, I guess.
So the idea is, and I don't have the detailed plans, I just had a conversation from some of my colleagues. And what I was told was that initially 450 बच्चे आ रहे हैं, 450 students आ रहे हैं एक center में. Now they are distributing that strength across 3 centers. So they are spending more resources in order to ensure कि हमारे पास sufficient resource हर center पे है, sufficient rooms है, sufficient computers हैं, so that we will be ready to address any kind of a issue that crops up.
Yeah, we can definitely try the best, but unfortunately, considering the population and the availability of infrastructure, it is always going to be a squeeze somewhere, one way or the other. So that is something we can already take the best care of, and do the best about. Some things might on the ground level are going to get messed up. So I think there is no
I think there is definitely going to be some issues. But just to give you an idea of the kind of preparedness that these examinations have, I've been an invigilator for these examinations, or at least the institute representative in the previous iterations. And even without a pandemic, we have nearly 50% more seating capacity than the number of people we invite.
Right.
So automatically, if you are cutting the overall size to half, you will have much more opportunity. So generally, we are over prepared. Now, I guess we will be even more prepared.
That's very grateful to hear about. But this is one thing that is particular to IIT, though. This is something that may not replicate the same way across districts and states. That would be very, very difficult to implement. So there, a little bit of concern is going to be there, because considering the rural status of our country and the current situation, a bunch of individuals are for sure going to suffer. But I think the good thing is, जहाँ पे ज़्यादा issues हैं, where majority of the metropolitan, we have availabilities, facilities, as well as institutions to tackle that. अभी issue आ रहा है थोड़ा सा travel का, and how people are going to move from one place to the other examination center. So somewhere or the other, you might have to cut some slack. And
my guess is that, let us say that there is a problem at a later point of time, and this is again my guess, and just based on my previous experiences, IIT has been really very flexible in terms of addressing issues and letting people handle problems on their own. So for example, if you are an IR to a particular place, you are given the freedom to take decisions that might help the person in front of you, that might help better in addressing the scenario. अगर ऐसा कोई situation आता है where people are not able to travel, 2 घंटे बाद आ रहे हैं या उनको travel arrangement मिला ही नहीं, so they might take certain steps at a later point of time to address them.
Certainly. ठीक है. So that is one to and fro जो चलेगा अभी there is going to be some issues about it, and students are definitely going to get upset. Eventually, the way they are outpouring themselves on social media right now, so it is always going to spurt out one way or the other. And अगर नहीं कराते exams, तो the disadvantage would be that next year stack बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. Students would be overloaded even for the facilities to handle for the sake of exams, I guess, and to even take care of that big bunch of students all together. So
that's at least my guess. I have no idea what is going on at the top level Supreme Court decision.
No, definitely. But बहुत सारे to and fro's हैं that are put into consideration. So